guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Get Unready with me featuring Purito Seoul. Before we start, I do want to mention this is in collaboration with yesstyle, so thank you yesstyle for sending me my goodies, and let's get started. Starting off, we are taking off my falsies. If you wear makeup from the start of the day to the end of the night, this is one of the most satisfying feelings ever. And this was a time when I ran out of my cotton pads, so I couldn't use my solid water, so we are using Leporum's makeup remover towel set. My mom had found out about them and she's been using them, so I hopped on that wagon too. I was skeptical of it first, but it actually works really good. It's reusable, machine washable, and it should last up to 3 to 5 years. It's hypoallergenic and antibacterial. I wouldn't recommend washing it in the washer. Next, we are moving on to cleansing and skincare with Purito Seoul set. Going in with a bamboo cleanser. I really like this one. There's no scent to it. It almost feels like I'm using the Morning CosRX cleanser. There's no scent to it and it's very mild, so if you have sensitive skin, it should work fine just for you. Don't forget to get in all the crevices. And then here I'm just making sure I'm cleansing everything thoroughly, my eyebrows, forehead, and everything. Now we're going in with the toner. I really like this one, even though the consistency of it is really like watery and lightweight. I feel like it's gonna last me a long time because I've been using it for a while and I feel like my cleanser ratio is going down faster than my toner ratio, surprisingly, for the first time. Now we're going in with the serum. This serum is really lightweight and I really like that about it. It doesn't leave any residue either. I appreciate the centella extract ingredient because it's known for healing and anti-inflammatory properties. So it's ideal for sensitive or acne prone skin. Going in with the bamboo cream. This cream is very thick, but I like that it's thick and it doesn't feel greasy. It deeply hydrates and nourishes, making it an excellent choice for repairing the skin overnight. Despite its rich texture, it doesn't clog pores, making it suitable for acne-prone skin. And that concludes my current nighttime routine. I know it was a lot, but when used together, the bundle offers a well-rounded routine for calming, hydrating, and protecting the skin. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.